Today I'm going to teach you how to fix a small straight tear in your jeans. The easiest solution is going to be a ladder stitch. For this you will need an iron-on denim patch, a needle and denim thread, and an iron. I'll be using a contrasting thread color to show you the stitch pattern, but you will want to use a thread that's matching to your jeans when you do this at home. If your tear has any frayed edges, trim these down with some fabric scissors. Thread your needle and tie a knot in one end. I'm starting with the needle at the bottom of the tear, coming through to the outside of the denim. Create a ladder stitch by going across, in from the outside of the denim, then up, bringing the needle back through to the front of the denim. Repeat across and up, across and up, across and up until you reach the top of your tear. Gently pull the thread tight to close up your rip and go ahead and tie off and knot your thread. While inside out, I'm ironing the small flaps created by the stitch flat and open, and then I'm cutting out an iron-on denim patch. Go ahead and iron the patch to the inside of the jeans, and just like that, your straight tear is fully mended.